Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to change aspect ratio on your Hisense Smart TV. This is simple. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So to change aspect ratio, go over to your settings, click on the picture settings, and the last option here is the aspect ratio. So as you click on it, here are the various aspect ratios. Now this depends on what you're doing. If you're watching a movie, you can always change aspect ratio over here. Now there are different options. There is 16 by 9, which is the one I prefer for movies. There's 4 by 3, 21 by 9, movie zoom dot to dot, and so on. I can change it over here, but for me, always choose O2. Just maintain it at O2 so that whatever you're doing, the TV is going to choose the ratio that is perfect for that movie or whatever you're watching. But if you want to change something, you can choose your own ratio or aspect ratio from here.